Welcome to part 3 of our van build series. In this video, we're going to be focusing on mounting our solar panels and putting power inside our van. The first order of business, we'll get our battery back there and then we're going to mount our charge controller and we will have a circuit for those. Once we get our charge controller and our battery set up, we're going to put our solar panels on the roof, and then we will run a wire from the roof down to our charge controller that will be connected to our battery. I have two 200-watt solar panels from Renogy that we are going to be mounting, and we also have our charge controller from Renogy, and it is a 40-amp charge controller. I also have a 12-volt lithium-ion battery. I honestly don't remember where we got it from, but it's a 400 amp hour battery. That is what we're going to do in this video. Let's get started. Got our charge controller installed, so it is now connected to the battery. Now we just need to connect our solar panels to this, and this will start charging the battery. We will still have to screw a hole to run our wires from our solar panel into the van to connect to the battery. How we are going to do that is we will take this out. We've already started taking those little things that hold it in. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna pull this down and drill a hole somewhere in the top of this little storage cubby and let those wires run down, and then run through the little gap here and run over to our battery. Taking these out, I just dropped one in there, so I'm gonna see if I can get it out. So now, look in there, and we got our little hole. So now we'll run our wires through there, have them run around, and then down to our battery. We got our solar panels up and we connected them to our inside wire, so now we're gonna screw that down. I'm up on the roof now. We have the solar panels covered right now so that they're not getting charged because they're not connected to anything. So we are still needing to attach them to the roof rack. So we've got these 2x4s running across that we're gonna attach them to. Got the solar panels up just in time because the sun is starting to set. As you can tell, it is night time now. So we are going to be finished for today. I think we did everything right. but we'll find out tomorrow. Everything looks right. Tomorrow this top light should be on. It's the next day. I am walking out here to check the solar panels. Here's how they're looking right now. Let's see if we did everything right. Oh my gosh. Are working, which I didn't think they wouldn't, but you know, it's always nice to see your work pay off and to know that you're doing the right thing, because it's scary sometimes. Building a van is very scary. I'm gonna end this video here. We need to give our battery just a couple days to charge. So next week we may actually start wiring some of our outlets and our lights and stuff. We have a couple other projects that we want to do next week. So I'm not exactly sure what you'll see in the next video, but that is going to be all for now. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next week.